Hello everyone, myself Juvaida Siddiqa. Today in this session I am going to discuss about the obesity. So as you know, obesity is nothing but in the common life, day-to-day life, we see the people who is suffering from the heavy weight gain, and due to that so many clinical symptoms, or you can say that due to that body malfunctioning. So let us see actual what is the meaning of that obesity and how it will be causes and what are the symptoms and how it can be prevented. So first of all, if you see about the what is the obesity. Obesity is that you have high amount of fat in your body, means you are obese. Obese means the accumulation of the fats in the below the skin. This is the additional fat. This is the additional fat which is more than the body needs. So see the here the definition. Obesity is that you have a high amount of fat in your body, and from that definition you can notice that obesity is not about more weight, it's about more fat. To understand this, you may weight more because you are the tall, and this is normal. So see here what we are saying. Generally what we think that if we are obese, if a person is become fat, if a person is become obese, then what we think that we become the heavy weight. But according to this definition of obesity, regarding to this, what is the actual meaning of that? Not the about the body weight, it is about the more fat. This formula will give you body mass index. So first of all, before understanding about the formula for body mass index, we have to understand what is the BMI. So actually this BMI is nothing but the calculation of the body weight in the kilograms. So the person's body weight in the kilograms divided by the square meter in the height. So regarding to that, what we are doing in this, how can we understand, how can we calculate the body mass index? So this is BMI is nothing but the body mass index. Whatever the heavy muscles are there, whatever the body weight is there, that could be divided by the person's height. So this is the body mass index. So how much height person has to be bear how much body weight. This is the normal calculation of a person. So this formula will give you your body mass index BMI. The obesity is the diagnosed when the BMI is 30 or more. So below the 30 it has to be okay. Normal persons are there, approximate it could be like below the 30 means 25 28 is maybe normal. But when a person's BMI is more than the 30, then the person become the obese. And now look to this table below to know more about the BMI. So let us see what we can do. First of all, this is the BMI and what is the result of that BMI. If it is a less than 18.5, so person is a underweight. So they have to gain the weight. They become the underweight due to that low body mass index. Means how much it is here, it is from the starting from that 18.5. if a person is below the 18.5, then they become into the category of like underweight. And after that 18.5 to 24, that is a normal. So normal person's BMI how should be that, it should be become like 18.5 to 25 approximate. You can see that below the near to the 25. But after that 25 to 29, this is somewhat overweight. If a person body weight is near to above the 25 to 29 means near to the 30, then it become the overweight. And after that 30 to 40, it could be like a obese. The person come under into the obese category. Means after that stage of the overweight, then the accumulation of more fat in below the skin layer or epithelial layer, and then more than the 40, very obese. The persons who have the BMI more than the 30, then they become the very obese. So see here what we understand by this. So if we calculate our body mass index regarding to the weight or the regarding to the person's height and weight, then we can easily calculate that how much person is it in the condition of obese or it is not. So as we see that below the 30, the person is in the not in the obese condition, but above the 30 they become in the obese condition. So now what are the causes of obesity? So what we are saying that, so accumulation of the fat is nothing but a condition, or gaining the more fat, it is a condition, the persons become the obese. So what are the basic causes of the obesity? Our daily body activity need energy come from the food we eat, and more exercise and activities burn more calories that we get from the food. Okay, what we are understanding here, we can understand that whatever the energy we are gaining for our daily activities, that we are coming from our burning or the oxidation of the food. Okay, and now just to the activities need to burn calories, also many metabolic reactions in the body need the energy from the food, such as to warm up in the cold weather and to sweat in the hot days. But when our food calories amounts exceeds the body needs, they will be stored in the body as in the form of the fat. So what we is there, if the energy is accomplished to work out the body different activities, okay, then it is a okay. But what happens if it is a more than our body needs, then it becomes the fat stored in our body, that fat is stored in our body. So that the cause of obesity is a combination of states and the risk factors that work together to store more fats in our body, and these factors are include, first of all, what we are saying, that so many causes are the symptoms of the so many causes are there for the obesity, but what are the basic causes, how the fat will be stored in the body, that let us see. The first one is about the inactivity. Actually, to burn the fat we have to do activities, we have to do exercise, then only fat become burn and energy will be released to work out for our body. But if we are not doing the proper work, if we are not doing the any proper activities, then what happened, due to the inactivity, due to the laziness, what happened, the person become the more fat, means more fat will become stored in the body. The first factor is about like a inactivity. Without activity you don't burn as much of calories, and you need to have more exercise to burn the excessive calories. Whatever the excessive calories are there, that has to be burned by doing the exercise, by doing the activities, by doing the daily routine works. So this is the one factor. Why? Because the storage of the fat is there. And diets, some bad eating habits, like if we are eating some like junk foods are there, not taking the proper nutrition and the balanced diet, then it is also leads the fat storage in our body. Some bad eating habits like high calories diet, especially typically in the night, or skipping a healthy breakfast and replace it by junk fast foods, and all that increases the body fat. Without eating the breakfast and without not sleeping at the right time, then these are all the causes which leads to the persons to become the obese. And not eating the proper diet, instead of that proper diet, if the persons are taking the junk food, if they are prefer the junk food, then they become the, in that such condition, by taking the junk food, the fat accumulation is the storage of the fat will be seen. And pregnancies, some women after the baby is born have an increasing in their weight, and if they don't lose the weight with many pregnancies, after that they may become the obese. This is, see here, the another condition. What is the another condition is here? Why the pregnant ladies, if they are at the time of the pregnancy, it sure that a person or a female person will gain the weight, but at the right time, if the weight will be lost, then they can be become into the normal condition. If they are not doing that such in the proper condition, the continuous weight gain is seen into that persons. And what is the lack of sleep? In this case, the disturbances in the body hormones and increases the appetite. You also may curve to hide calories food. So see here, the another factor is that lack of sleep. If you are not taking the proper sleep, then in such condition, what happens? Not taking the proper sleep, as a result of not taking the proper sleep or the not sleeping in the night time, due to that the hormonal changes will be seen. the hormonal changes will be seen into the persons, which leads to the fat. Then the another one is like a drugs, some medications. The drugs is also the another factor. By that, drug is also the another factor. By that, due to the obesity is also seen by taking the some side effects of some drugs, like the some medications lead the body to gain more weight. These drugs include the diabetes medications, steroids, and the beta blockers, anti-seizures medications, antipsychotic medications, and then antidepressants drugs. So these all types of the drugs will also cause the fat to become the to person to become a fat. So which type of the drugs? See here, the particularly some drugs are there. This is like a diabetic medications, and then steroids, and then beta blockers, and these beta blockers, anti-seizure drugs, and the antipsychotic medicines, and the antidepressant medicines. So as such, we see that the different types of the medicinal drugs, these are all different types of the drugs, is leads to the person to become the fat. And then medical condition, in which some medical condition also seen into the person. By that, maybe a risk or the chance is the cause to get the more fat or to get the more weight. Some diseases and syndromes lead the body to store more fat and gain weight, like the Cushing syndrome. As we see the Cushington syndrome, some disease low the metabolic rate in the body and low the amount of burned calories every day, such as the hypothyroidism. In the condition of the hypothyroidism, hypo means, see here, I told already so many times, hypo means nothing but the low quantity of the or the decreased condition of the thyroid hormone secretion. In that condition, it is also a disorder that leads into the hypothyroidism. And some diseases lead the patient to low his activity, such as the arthritis, and maybe the patients with the paraplegia or the paraplegia. So see here, in this some type of the medical condition, what happened, due to the inactivity is seen into the person. As a result, some syndromes also seen. In that condition, the person become the fat. And due to the not proper functioning of that hormone, which is the thyroid hormone, if it is not working in the proper condition, as a result also a person become the fat. And genetics, the another factor is like a genetic factor. Genes affect the amount of body fat we store and where to stores. And this is also the one of the factor. Due to the some genetic diseases or genetic disorders also, a person become the obese. And family lifestyle, as we know, not because of the genes we find the obesity runs in the family, it also because of their lifestyles and the food they eat. We can notice that some countries such as the USA have more obese people than other countries like Japan, and this is the because the culture and the lifestyle. By eating the so many junk foods, not eating at the proper time, not sleeping at the right time, this is the major factors which will be seen in some developed countries like the USA and the another countries. But whereas if we see about the another countries of the Japan, their activities done more than there, and maybe they maintain some medications, so they maintain some proper guidance regarding to their food. So family lifestyle also is one of the factor which affect on the obesity. Age is also a factor. Obesity could occur at any age, but when we get age, we lose more amount of muscle built, and more amount of muscles give higher rate of metabolism and calories burning. When we lose them, we reduce the calories burning and tend to fill the body with the fat. So as the person becomes so agey person, what happens here, due to the age, the body mass formation will be decreases. Instead of that place, due to the low activity of the muscles, at that place the fats will be stored. And what are the complications? We discuss about the so many factors are there regarding to that factors. What are the different factors which causes the obesity? But what happen if a person gain the obesity, and what are the severe conditions like the severity or the complications if it is become more severe in the condition, or if it is become the more serious in the condition? What are the complications? First of all, we see about the complications here. These complications come under the complication. The first one is about like obesity is the dangerous, and it is also the answer in that case where the obesity is the risk to have one or more of the great number into the health problem. So let us see one by one what are the different types of the obesity. The type 2 diabetes, let us zoom it. So this is the somewhat complications like the type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high BP in our common terms, and the strokes, heart strokes and the heart diseases, gallbladder diseases, osteoarthritis, poor wound healing, sleep apnea means danger of sleep disorder. So this is the one of the very much dangerous factor regarding to the obesity. If a person is suffering from the obesity, they have the more sleep disorder, dangerous sleep disorder, and repeatedly stops than the, see here, dangerous sleep disorders in which breathing repeatedly stops and the starts, high cholesterol and the triglycerides, metabolic syndromes is also you can see due to the inactivity of the metabolic conditions. Whatever the muscles inactivity you can see in those conditions due to the not proper functioning of the different organs, it may also leads into the metabolic syndromes. And then cancers, and then depression is a very much common which is seen into the obese people due to their it may be seen into the person due to that high storage of the fats. They become the mentally, they feel the mental stress in that condition. So this is the list of some of the complications if you seen into the persons who are suffering from the obesity. What are the symptoms? Let's see one by one. First of all, type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, strokes, heart diseases, gallbladder diseases, osteoarthritis means bones, joint bones diseases. This is like a osteoarthritis, and poor wound healing, and then sleep apnea, high cholesterol glycerides. This is also the cholesterol means related to the fat storage, high cholesterol glycerides, and metabolic syndromes, cancer and the depression. So these are the some of the very much complication which could be seen into the severe condition of a obese person. In many other conditions, moreover the quality of life may be lower, and maybe you cannot do everything you want and like as easily as you would like, and you cannot join some family activities, or you may feel some shame or depressed. So as we see in our normal condition, or as we see in our society, if a person who are become more fat, then they feel ashamed, or they feel that depressed in the condition. So due to that feeling of gaining the more weight, they become the psychotic in the condition. They feel that due to their overweight, they feel ashamed, or they feel depressed in the condition. And this is the list of some weight related state depressions. Like whatever the depression stages are there, there a person who is suffering from this type of diseases. The first of all, and this is the list of some weight related states. First one is the sexual problem, then the another one is like a social isolation. This is some of that how a person feel in the society if they get the more weight. The first one is like a sexual problems, social isolation. They feel they isolate them from the social activities. They are not that much of freely club with the people. By their feeling of that, the mental stress, they feel that mentally that they are become the more fat, so they are not feeling that much of free in the society any activity. So they begin to start them as a in the isolated in the condition. And physical disability, they are not that much of active by doing any performing any functions. And then discomfort. And what are the physical examinations for the which type of the physical examinations for your expected health problems? The doctor first start to examine to general physical conditions and your vital signs including the blood pressure, the temperature and the heart rate and the heart sound. So due to some of the physical examinations, they may also treat for that they may also expect that some type of diagnostic of this obesity condition. So first of all, the doctor first will start to examine your general physician conditions and your vital signs including like a blood pressure. They check about their blood pressure and then temperature and then heart rate and heart sound and the lungs and the breathing sounds and examination for your abdomen. So like scannings or any time it is preferred for any x-rays. And after that we will ask to have some blood test related to the internal blood conditions and look for the complications of the obesity. And see here, what is the BMI? Of course, of the doctors will calculate your body mass index. Doctor will first calculate the how much height related to the weight. What should be the height and the weight ratio should be maintained to maintain the proper BMI conditions. And then blood test. The blood test I will ask you to include like cholesterol test, fasting glucose test, before meal and after meal glucose test, liver functioning test and the thyroid test. So by performing these different types of the test, one can be diagnosed to overcome with this problem. And after that, treatment. What is the treatment here? The healthy weight is the main goal for the obesity treatment, and you can reach that by making a good treatment plan with your doctor and maybe a big team of nutritionist, dietitian, obesity specialist and the nurse. So by doing this all the treatment, by maintaining a plan for the dietary plan, by eating a good meal or healthy meal, by taking a healthy meal, one can be maintain the good health condition. And what are the dietary plan includes? It could be like dietary changes and which type of the food we have to change. This is the dietary change. And then exercise and the activities, behavior changes, prescription medications, whatever the prescribed medicines are there, that medicines has to be take. And weight loss surgery, by performing the weight loss surgery. And how can be treatment for this fat? It could be like eat colorful vegetables and the fruits by taking the vegetables and drinking green tea, eat dark chocolates, regular exercise, drink at least 4 liters of water every day, maintain a healthy BMI ratio and avoid saturated and trans fats. So whatever the fats are the eating habits are there, that eating habits have to be changed. The eating habits have to be changed, and by taking the vegetable food and then drinking the green teas, one can be reduce the body fat. The prescription medication includes like Orlistat and the leucoserine and the phenyltermine topiramate and the phentermine. This is the different types of the drugs which could be preferred for the taking or for the reduction of the fat. And lastly, we know that prevention is better than cure, means we have to go for the preventive measures. How can we prevent from this gaining the more weight or gaining the more fat? We don't say about the more weight, we have to say about the more fat. The prevention is always better than the treatment, and if you feel currently overweight or your body mass index is exceeds 30, you need to start your preventive programs. What are the preventive programs here? The first one is more exercise. We prefer the exercise 150 to 250 minutes of moderate intensity inactivity every week in helpful to keep you away from obesity, and these activities such as the fast walking and swimming. By performing the walking and the swimming rigorously, if we do this, we can avoid or we can burn the extra fat. And eat healthy foods like low calories and the fibrous rich. Such foods are fruit, vegetables and good food to have every day, but saturated trans fats and sweets and alcohol are extremely bad. They increase your body weight and threaten your health. So what we have to do? We have to do that. First of all, low calorie and fibers rich food such as the fruits. We have to take the fruits and vegetables and good food with every day, but saturated fats and sweets or alcohols are extremely bad. We avoid to eating the more sugary or more fat or the sweets to avoid this storage of the extra fats. And body checkups, monitor your weight. Means what we have to do, monitor your weight and calculating your body mass index will be very much helpful to know how your prevention plan is working. So what we discussed till about that, we discussed about the what is the definition for obesity, how and what are the different types of treatment regarding to the obesity. So this is the what we discuss about. We discuss about the obesity is that where the storage of the more fat, it is not related about the weight, it is related about the fat. How the fat will be stored, that is the condition. It is not about the body weight, it is about the body fat. If the body fat is stored in the more, then it may cause as a fat or become a obese. If the body mass index is more than the 30, then the person is preferred to the fat. If it is a less than 30 or less than the 18, then it is called as the underweight. If it is at the 25, then the person become the normal. If it is the more than 40, then it becomes like a more obese in condition. And what are the different causes? As such, we discuss about the different causes of obesity. It could be like inactivity and then diet plan, not taking the proper diet, and then pregnancies and the lack of sleep if the sleep condition is not good, and some drugs like medicinal like antidepressant drugs, and the family condition, age is also a factor. And what are the different types of the complication if it is become more serious in condition. And what are the different types of the problems? It may be like sexual problem, and then social isolations, physical disability problems. So different types of the problems is the seen. Physical examinations, it could be like a blood test and the BMI test. And lastly, we have to treatments, dietary changes, exercises and behavioral changes, prescription and the medications. And what are the drugs, and after that what are the preventive measures. Different types of the preventive measures. First of all, to avoid the getting the more fat storage, we have to become more active, like doing the different types of exercises, and then more exercise is also important. Eat healthy food, monitor your weight time to time by maintaining the good healthy condition. I think by this we are end up with the topic, and thank you for listening. Maybe in the next schedule I am going to discuss about the another diseases health related, like heart diseases, chronic heart diseases, and then HIV, which is also a very much dreadful disease, which is again so many diseases are there. Let us see in the next session. Thank you for listening.